climate change and water are intricately intertwined. The complicated effects of climate change on water are well known. The majority of the effects of climate change are related to water, including erratic rainfall patterns, decreasing ice sheets, rising sea levels, floods, and droughts. UN water. As temperatures rise, they alter precipitation patterns and the entire water cycle, aggravating both water scarcity and water-related hazards, like floods and droughts. UNICEF. Water scarcity. According to the SDG Report 2022, 2 billion people still lack access to clean drinking water, and the IPCC estimates that half of humanity deals with acute water scarcity for at least some of the year. Climate change and population expansion are predicted to make these numbers rise. WMO. Only 0.5% of the water on Earth is freshwater, and the supply is being dangerously threatened by climate change. Terrestrial water storage, which includes soil moisture, snow, and ice, has decreased by 1 centimeter a year during the previous 20 years, having significant effects on water security. WMO. More than 1/6 of the world's population currently lives in regions supplied by meltwater from major mountain ranges, but over the course of the century, it is projected that water supplies stored in glaciers and snow cover will continue to decline, reducing water availability during warm and dry periods. IPCC. According to the IPCC, sea level rise would increase groundwater salinization, reducing the amount of freshwater available to coastal ecosystems and people. Although there is significant regional variation, limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius as opposed to 2 degrees Celsius would roughly cut the percentage of the world population expected to experience water scarcity in half. IPCC. Climate change also has an impact on water quality because several types of water pollution are predicted to get worse due to increased water temperatures, more frequent floods, and droughts. According to the IPCC, pressure on the food supply will come from climate change, population expansion, and dwindling water supplies because agriculture uses the majority of freshwater, almost 70% on average. It takes between 2,000 and 5,000 liters of water to produce a person's daily diet. Dangers connected to water. Extreme weather events like floods and droughts have become more frequent and more severe as a result of climate change. IPCC. Increasing atmospheric moisture due to rising global temperatures leads to more storms and heavy rains, but strangely also paradoxically more intense dry periods as more water evaporates from the land and changes in global weather patterns. The World Bank. According to the IPCC, the risks of drought and flooding will rise further with each degree of global warming, as will the resulting socioeconomic damages. In most locations, the frequency of heavy precipitation events will most likely rise during the 21st century, along with the number of rain-related floods. The proportion of territory experiencing extreme drought at any given time is also anticipated to rise. IPCC. Over the past 50 years, water-related disasters have dominated the list of disasters and are responsible for 70% of all deaths resulting from natural disasters. Water solutions. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions and defense against climate risks can be achieved by maintaining healthy aquatic ecosystems and enhancing water management. Water and Climate Coalition. Mangroves, seagrasses, marshes, and swamps are examples of wetlands that are excellent carbon sinks, absorbing and storing CO2 to assist lower greenhouse gas emissions. UNEP. According to the UNEP, wetlands act as a barrier against harsh weather conditions. They act as a natural barrier against storm surges and soak up extra rain and water. Wetlands also serve as a water storage and filtration system through the plants and microbes they support. Early warning systems for floods, droughts, and other dangers involving water have a ROI of more than 10 times and can greatly lower the chance of disaster. A 24-hour storm warning can reduce the resulting damage. More than 360,000 infants might be saved each year by water supply and sanitation systems that can endure climate change, according to a new climate economy assessment. Drip irrigation and other water-saving techniques can be used in climate-smart agriculture to lessen the strain on freshwater resources. UNEP. In order to get one step closer to save our planet and save some water, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.